Let's look at a trust billing with clients. A lot of time people ask me, they say, well, if you're explain things in a complicated way, a lot of times this seems to get the clients right off the bat, you know, on a standing position where they're on guard, right? And so I tell people that, try not to be so complicated. Try to make sure that when you're talking to them, you're not using confusing jargon and complex terms, and things like that. Just be simple. Just be, what I preach 90% of the time is complication is the enemy of execution. Yes, and so what I mean by that is if you're, let's say you're explaining the IUL. And you're explaining to somebody, you say, well, it's got a downside protection in it. It maintains an upside potential through index crediting strategies. Now, the average Joe probably wouldn't understand what that means, and nor should they. But a lot of times that's what we say. And so a lot of times they say, why don't you try it this way? Why don't you say that, the IUL basically is a buy term and invest the rest, yes? And it has other benefits like living benefits and things like that. If something were to happen to you, you can use those benefits while you're alive. And, if you really kind of get into that kind of mode and you tell them, listen, if the market goes down, this thing has a stop loss. If the IUL protects you. If the market goes up, you get those gains, right? And so those are the kind of ways, if you explain stuff, right? The challenge is to give them the kind of crystal clear concept they're looking for, and that'll help you build trust. Yes. Now, if you'd like to have more ideas on how to do this, put trust in the comment section, and we'll help you more. Yes.